In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fine-tune voice in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll have a selected ElevenLabs voice adjusted for stability, style, or style exaggeration, and clarity, tested with sample text, saved, and ready to use in your projects. First, log in at ElevenLabs.io. On the homepage, enter your details and click Log In to access your account. Next, go to Voice Lab or Voice Library. If you have your own voices or clones, open Voice Lab. If you're browsing available voices, open Voice Library. On the screen, click the section that matches where your voice is located. Now select the voice you want to fine-tune. Click the voice card or name to open its details page so you can edit it. From here, click Edit Voice or Fine-Tune. Look for the Edit Controls or the Fine-Tuning panel and open it. This brings up the sliders you'll adjust. Adjust settings such as stability, style, or style exaggeration, and clarity. Move the stability slider to control how consistent the voice sounds from line to line. Higher stability gives a steadier tone. Lower stability allows more variation. Adjust style or style exaggeration to set how expressive the delivery is. Increasing it adds more emphasis and emotion. Decreasing it keeps the read neutral. Then adjust clarity to influence how crisp and articulate the voice sounds. Small changes can make a big difference, so slide gradually and listen for the effect. If you make a change you don't like, simply slide back to your previous position before saving. Now test the voice with sample text and tweak until satisfied. Type or paste a few sentences that match how you plan to use the voice, like narration, dialogue, or instructions. Keep the text short so you can preview quickly. Click to generate a preview and listen through. If the voice sounds too flat, add a bit more style or style exaggeration. If it sounds unstable or inconsistent, increase stability. If words feel muddy or too sharp, fine-tune the clarity slider. Repeat this preview and adjust cycle until the result fits your use case. At this point, aim for settings that sound good across different sample sentences, not just one line, so the voice performs consistently. Once that's done, click Save to apply changes. Confirm the save and wait for the settings to update. This applies your fine-tuning to the selected voice so it's ready to use. If you're unsure, remember you can return to these sliders later and adjust again. Now use the fine-tuned voice in your projects. Open your project where you generate audio, select this voice from your voice list, and create speech as usual. The updated stability, style, or style exaggeration and clarity settings will carry through to your outputs, giving you the sound you just tested. That's it. Your ElevenLabs voice is now fine-tuned, saved, and ready to use in your projects. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.